Hi, I'm Doretha with the Live Oak Public Library, and today for Recipe Swap we're going to do a Halloween favorite, which is the Crescent Mummy Dogs, which is simply the croissant rolls, which you take out of the container, and instead of, you unroll them, and where the perforations are, you push the perforations back together so it makes a solid sheet of dough like that. And then we're going to cut the dough into 10 strips to wrap the hot dogs in. I've already preheated my air fryer to 350. The recipe actually calls for 375 for a regular oven, but we adjusted the temperature for the air fryer, and it's a little bit lower than what the regular oven would be. All right. Don't want the dough to get too soft so that it won't wrap properly. So what you do is take your strip of dough, start it at the bottom of the hot dog, and now it's already separated. We're going to leave a little gap here for the eyes. And I guess it won't matter if we just press this back together. It doesn't have to be solid dough all the way down. Okay. And we continue to do that with each of the hot dogs. So I'm going to place those in the air fryer, which I've already preheated. And we're going to start them baking. I think they'll all fit, hopefully. Yep. There again, we've adjusted the time on the recipes. For the regular oven, it suggested 20 minutes. For the air fryer, it takes a little less, and they suggested 16. So we'll go for that and check and see where we're at. So I'm going to turn this on. All right, just let it cook. And they're done. We'll check them. Oh yeah, they're nice and golden brown. So we'll just lay them on the plate here to cool. Well, two of them kind of went together, but that's okay. And we have our little mummy wraps. All nice and brown. They smell good. All right. So to make the eyes for the mummy, go to the little area that you left open and put a little dot of mustard. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more from your Live Oak Public Library.